If you get chance in Duronto TV, will you join there?
Obviously, I will not miss the, opportunity.
You have to present yourself. You will be the host.
I have to, try.
You have to teach, play and nursery level students. This is the program for, Duronto TV. If you are the teacher, they are the students. You will make scripts and you will make radio students.
Yeah, I have taught a lot of students in my classes of my parents. But I think if they give me any script, I can, do it.
You have to make a script and you have to sit down.
Oh, that's easy.
And you will just submit your...
That would be more better.
The Duronto TV.
That would be more better.
So what is your demand for, 10 seasons? 10 part, each part for 10 minutes.
I will not tell in this video.
10,000? Dhaka is enough for you? 10 videos?
Money doesn't even matter for me. They're showing me in the TV channel, that's more than enough.
Okay, they will give you some light foods, drinks.
I don't know
what they will not give you any money.
Yeah, that's
they will
okay.
get transport support.
Yeah, I don't need money. It's just for my satisfaction.